Hey, welcome back everybody. Nicholas, we're off on another fishing adventure. Let's get on the road. Woo! Man alive! We are down here Locking Dam number 5 again. And it is pouring. And as you can see, it's been pouring. We've only been down here for like an hour and a half. And then it started pouring on us. So we got some sheephead out, some cut bait, and yeah, some night crawlers. There's a couple other dudes here that got some rods out. We got our umbrella actually. Isn't it cold out here chilling? We busted out the umbrella in the rain. Oh, looks like he's getting a bite almost. He might be getting one. It is only 2:17, so we've been down here for like less than an hour. So we're gonna stay. I pulled the van right up. We got the umbrella out. These other guys are in their truck chilling. Yeah, and we got all the gear. Oh no! Oh no! Hope these are the bad sunglasses. Otherwise, I just broke a $50 pair of sunglasses. Which I hope not, because that would suck. I'm terrible with sunglasses. Yeah, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. If you haven't, we've got some giants. True River Monster, that giant one. If you want to jump in, it's a huge gar, 48 incher. So, I gotta find a towel and get back out here.
Still survive without 5 golden rings? Would you
It is
still
raining.
want a kiss without missing?
It's 3:14.
What would happen if God
You can hear I actually kicked on my diesel heater. Check it out. That's how I stay warm. You might not be able to see it. It's right down there by my longboard. You see the LED, but yeah, it's red and black by my water. On my longboard action. I had to move my chair out the way, but we're still fishing. We're on Locking Dam number 5. Got some low clouds. Rolling through. The rain is letting up. That's why I got my camera out, so pretty sweet. Well, it'll be the first bite of the day. Got a barge rolling out. Might just be out of view. But it is clearing up nice.
so many fish in the sea than I'm
Yeah. Hopefully we get some fish moving in here. Or get a fish on here. Come on, fish. It's on a piece of cut bait. You're gonna have to get out from under the umbrella. Oh, I think he just lost it. I saw it kind of pop. Book. Yeah, had it for a little bit. That might have been a gar style. Got some cut bait. Boom. Sheephead. I don't think so. Nope, that's my bait. Yeah, that thing was, I got a stick here so my bail was wide open. So if something just, it popped it, yeah. I looked over, it was just ripping line. Hopefully you got one. Starting to get some bites here. It's about 7 now. Yeah, something just railed that thing. Got something. Oh, they're getting
Another one, slab.
another slab.
Yeah.
Double up.
Double up.
See, that was a little fatter even. Dang. Woo.
Done.
They just moved out. Yeah, you got the spot there where the sun is. Alright. It is now nighttime, obviously. About 8:45. Got some fresh bait out, and yeah, got a few hard bites on the cup bait, but nothing yet. So, still waiting for one big one. Mosquitoes came out, coming out through the rain, nothing, so we deserve one giant. Yeah. Come on, fish. Let's do something. Boing. Pulled on the cut bait pole. Got some weight. Got something heavy. Sweet. First fish. You were just over there. Just casted out a shiner. Oh wow, huh? Might be a what? Might be a turtle. You got a big piece of cut bait. Cut bait on there. Let me know if I need to pull my rod up here. Let's see where it's at. I can. Think so on that big piece of meat?
It's just pulling so slow.
Really? Boom, 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 boom. I know.
Oh, it's up here by the top.
I see bubbles.
Those are bubbles. Clawing its way on the bottom.
Well, we got something. Not sure what.
Suck up here.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. It's wobbling weird.
My line's over there.
Wobbling like a turtle.
Wobbling like a turtle. Oh man.
Oh,
No, it's a cat, dude.
It's not a turtle.
It's not a cat, it's a flathead or something.
Okay, so is this one of these? I can't tell, but it's a catfish. It's fatty.
Yeah, it's a flathead.
Well,
See the big flathead on it? Alright, here, hold the light. I'll get the net.
hefty boy.
Yeah, oh yeah. Holy, he's a fighter. He probably hasn't put up a fight yet. Alright, so that flathead, yeah. Nice one, the biggest one here yet. Alright, let me not lose the net. Here, I'm gonna do a little side cam here quick.
That's like the biggest flathead I ever caught.
Big heads. What about the one in the canoe?
Oh, I don't know, dude. This one just seems fat.
Right? Oof.
Well, here you scoop her out. Try to scoop her.
Yeah, I'm gonna scoop them in here. Dang.
Yeah, because I was guided his head right into there, so let's see. Ready? Go about this direction.
Oh, baby. Up, pick up. Ooh, like, nope. Oh. Oh.
He's like too fat.
Yeah, we're gonna have to swap.
Can't quite get out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to
Underneath
swap.
him.
I don't have the leverage for it.
Yeah. Alright. Where you going, little buddy?
I don't know, I gotta reel some line or something. No, I don't. I just gotta get him coming at you, right?
It's actually
Ah,
just
coming your way.
too big for the net.
Yeah, he's just too big for the net.
About.
Yeah.
Just about.
Wow. Whew. Got some weight on it, dude. Hey, let me grab her.
Yeah,
off
that's
of my head.
definitely a flathead. Yeah, there's no doubt about
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Here, you want to
That's
hold?
a good.
It's a good, that's a good,
Definitely 10 pounds.
Here, hold him up here. I'm going to try to get a close-up of just, see if I can get a light. That's a good one, dude. He's a beast. What are you thinking? 12 pounds or something?
Yeah, something like that.
I'm gonna go 15. Big mouth on him. First fish of the day, so here, let me, you hold this. I'm gonna see if I can grab that guy. and then, cause it's running. Wow. Wow. Yes.
Yeah, you got plenty of room, that's for sure.
Yeah. Okay. Wow, beautiful, dude. Oh, it's heavy. Yeah, it's real bright. Good size flathead. Biggest one, he was ripping with it. Man alive. Yeah, real nice. Big head on it. Woo. Ah. Beautiful, dude. Well, let's get her back in the water, huh? Yeah? Whoa, fat belly. Ah. All right, let me get you in here. How are we gonna?
Yeah, that's good. I'll drop it in the water and see what happens.
I'll take the flashlight. Now that I'm all sticked up. All right, girl. That's the biggest one I've seen. Oh, it might be upside down in there.
Yeah, well, just
It'll be lively.
go down here in the water first.
Oh yeah.
Better get some breaths.
Yeah. Lively. Beautiful, man. I love those. I'd love to catch a big one. See you later.
That is a chunker.
That is a chunky one. That's awesome, dude. Good job. We tend to get our rods ripped when we're letting fish go. Nope. Oh yeah, I got the bell on mine. Boom. Good job, dude. Nice. Yeah, one big giant flathead, biggest one of the season. Another barge coming through. It is like probably 9:40 now. Get another piece of cut bait out, and yeah, one nice one so far. I don't know how late we're gonna be out, but I'm gonna let this get out there, baby. Oh, that's danger zone for big fish. Okay, come on, baby. Oh, yeah, I got one. I think. Oh, no, came off. Oh, he was on the run.
1022.
1020. All right, yeah. Fire just went through. Just churned it all up out there in our deep fishing hole. About the time we get a bite now. Have no idea, just ripped on the double shiner though. Oh, we got a cat. Channel cat?
I think so.
Oh yeah, that's a good size one. All right, yeah, it's not too bad. Hang on, come here. Oh baby, come here. All right, coming at you. Oh, coming at you. Ah, I try not to get the line hooked on the camera. 2 for you now. There, pop it that way. There we go. Yeah, we got a channel. All right, the weight is like through the net and under his gill or his. Here, let me get his mouth here and pull him over. Pop that up through there. The weight's straight through. He's biting my fingers.
Yeah.
Biting me. He does got some teeth. Actually, I feel like I'm noodling. Yeah, he's
a little grippy one.
He's gripping. This might have been the one that grabbed my baits. How are my baits doing? Good. This is a good size one. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, that'd be a good eater if I was gonna keep one and eat it, but that's a good one. That's like, you know, comparable to the ones we were catching before. I don't know, that's probably 8 pounds, 10 pounder. See you later, buddy. Let's get you back in. Light too. My cut bait rod. See my line? That's all right. Yeah, get him the right side up. Oh, that is feisty and good to go. Yeah, my cut bait rod over here. You can leave that on for now, just get it straight up. See, the line, every time you're doing something else, I think it's still going. I got a little piece of cut bait on here. Oh man, something must have just taken it and run with it because I didn't feel a single thing. Rod going here. You got weight on it? Oh, it's jumping out there. It's at the surface. We're gonna see.
On this.
We were just emptying the middle
Oh,
bucket.
is that a gar?
Oh no! Oh, we got a big one. Woo! Yeah, another nice one, dude. What was that on? The single.
Shiner.
The single shiner, the last one. We only got 3 today. Yeah, that's a fatty channel right there. Not as fatty as the last ones in the night video. Second night at Lock and Dam number 5. This one's like, this is, you know.
The smallest one.
I was gonna say, this is about the smallest one. Alright, so,
He's still feisty.
it is still feisty. Am I recording? Oops, sorry, I just blinded you. Yeah, I am. It's blinding everybody. You're all blinded by the light. Who knows if I'm recording or not? Alright, here, I'm gonna net one.
Alright.
Since I haven't caught anything. Yeah, there. Oh, he flipped right out. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Oh, right out of there. What a rascal, dude. Ah. Good thing you put those screws in there. The bottom of the net was getting loose from reeling in all these fish. I think you're right about this. No, it's comparable. Dude. Look at the fat bellies. Comparable. That's a good one. To the last one. Hey, look, this one's got like a whitish tail too.
Yeah.
As I said, they might just bury themselves in the silt out there. All right. Check my rods. My rods are always going off when you got a fish. All right, well, I'm not gonna hold it up to the camera. This is the third one. You're gonna hold it up if you can.
I see it. Look here.
Fat head on it.
Hello? The dang hook
You need your pliers, huh?
Just don't want to pop out.
What do you eat your weight too?
Well,
It looks like it's in the mouth.
he
your weight.
just grabbed it.
Hey, the weight was in his mouth.
Yeah, he's a smelly one.
Here, shut that one over there. Well, yeah, right? It's probably been in a hole. That's what I said. Those ones are smelly. Let me smell you. Oh, yeah, that's exactly how the other one smelled. Fishy. Yeah, hold them up here. Yeah, it smells. This one's totally more fishy than the others.
Thought he was going.
How much do you think that's weigh? That's probably
This?
10 pounds.
No, this is just like. That's only like 6 pounds.
Only like 6 pounds? I guess the belly's not that fat. All right, well, yeah, sweet.
Put you back in your.
Yeah, let's get that one back in. That's the third one. That flathead was awesome. Beautiful. All right, buddy. Yeah, be a good eater. Stanky, though. Just some of them stink, man. Like, that's the second one that's just been real stinky. Fired up. Yeah, let him just slow go out of there. See you later, dude. Put up a fight. Fighter.